Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add uninstall option in the context menu of Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as right click uninstall by Smart PC Utilities, and you will see here tons of websites. So you can see here the second website is the official website, so just click on it. Now just click on this download now option. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to extract the zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you will see the first file is the application. Just double click on it. Now you can see here scan install programs. Just click on it. So our first task is completed. Now just click on this second option. So our task has been completed. Now you can minimize it. Now say I want to uninstall this respective software. So I will just select it and after that just right mouse click on it. Now click on this show more options. I will see here one new option is being added, uninstall. So just click on it. Now you can just click on this uninstall to uninstall this respective software. Click on next, click on uninstall. And just click on finish. So you can see we have finally uninstalled. And if you want to remove this uninstall option from the context menu, then just once again open the respective software which you have installed earlier and just click on this remove option. Then it will remove uninstall options from the context menu of Windows computer. So by using this cool application, you can easily add uninstall option in the context menu of Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.